In this video, I'm going to glue the base floor onto the foundation. The first thing I'm doing is making sure that the base floor actually fits, and it does, so now I can start painting. For this kit, there are grooves where the walls go, so I'm careful not to get any paint into them. If I do, I would just lightly sand it after the paint dries. The paint I'm using is satin latex, and I'm using a small paintbrush only because I have better control of it over a larger brush. You could also use a foam brush or a small paint roller for these surfaces. The section that I'm painting gray will be the front porch. I'm not sure yet how I'm going to finish that floor, but at the very least it will be gray, and doing this now will help me keep track of where the front of the house is. Now I'm sanding to prepare for a second coat of paint, although I won't be showing that in this video. I'm using 150 grit sandpaper. The bottom of the base floor has grooves all around it, so it sets into the foundation easily. I'm using Aleene's tacky glue, and the base just drops into the foundation, and I'm wiping away the excess glue. The weights I'm using are 5, 10, and 15-pound weights. If you don't have weights, other items you could use would be books or canned goods. I let this sit overnight and remove the weights the next day. If you want to keep going with your project, let the glue dry for at least 3 to 4 hours. If you're new to my channel and like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again.